In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on QuickBooks. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the QuickBooks online website. Once you've opened the page, sign in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Now that you're signed in, the dashboard will be your central point of navigation. It's here that you'll access all the essential features QuickBooks has to offer. To change the settings, look towards the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. You should see a small gear icon. This icon is your settings gateway, and clicking on it will open up a world of customization options crucial for tailoring QuickBooks to your business needs. Once you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You're looking for the Account and Settings option within this menu, so go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a more detailed account settings page where you'll find several tabs on the left side of the screen. Each of these tabs controls different aspects of your QuickBooks setup. For our purpose today, you'll want to focus on the tab labeled Advanced. Clicking on this tab will unlock Advanced Settings options. Once you're in the Advanced Settings, direct your attention to the section labeled Currency. This section is where you manage the currency settings tied to your QuickBooks account. Here, you have the option to change your home currency by selecting from a list of available currencies. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct currency that aligns with your business needs. It's also a good opportunity to mention that if your business deals with multiple currencies, QuickBooks has a feature specifically designed for this. Under the same Currency section, you'll find the option to enable multi-currency. This is particularly useful for businesses that operate on an international scale and allows you to handle transactions in different currencies with ease. After making these changes, the final piece of the puzzle is to save your new settings. The Save button is typically located at the bottom of the page. Make sure to click this button so that your changes are applied and take effect immediately. And that's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to change the currency on QuickBooks and even how to enable multi-currency if necessary. I hope you found this tutorial clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment.